This is a 2002 GMC Sierra, extended cab, step side, one owner, 139,000 miles. This truck is absolutely as clean as it gets. Not a door ding or a scratch on it. Super clean truck. One owner, Texas vehicle, no rust. Brand new tires, fully serviced, needs absolutely nothing. Literally the only flaw on this vehicle is right there. That is it. I promise you will not find a cleaner one, especially with all the service records that we have on this truck. It's an SLT with leather. The vehicle is running. It needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. 5.3 liter. Leather interior is in great condition for its age. Ice cold AC. No cracked dash. Dual power seats, power windows, locks, mirrors, and cruise. No sagging headliner. Just in wonderful condition for its age. So this is a 2002 GMC Sierra, extended cab, step side, one owner, Texas vehicle, no rust, in absolutely wonderful condition, needs nothing mechanically or cosmetic.